Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be discussing about velocity and acceleration analysis of mechanism. So first of all, to start the topic, uh, we'll start with the introduction. First of all, what is the distance? Though we have already studied these things in our junior classes, but for an engineering sake of view, to go to the analysis of acceleration and velocity, we must know what is the distance, what is displacement, what is the motion, and what are its effects on the mechanism. So, what is the distance? First of all, it is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity means when an object is defined by its magnitude only, that is, no direction is required. Distance is a scalar quantity and it basically tells us about that how much ground an object has covered. That is, it tells us the total distance traveled by a, or the total path traveled by a object. For example, suppose we have a body A which is moving in, say, east direction to, say, 2 kilometers to reach point B from point A. A is the starting point. Then it moves to the south to, say, 3 kilometers. Then it moves to that is BC is 3 kilometers. Then it moves from C to D as 2 kilometers in the west direction, and then from D to A 3 kilometers in north direction. That is, A to B in east direction, B to C in south direction, C to D in west direction, and then D to A in north direction, and reaches back to point A. So the total distance traveled is 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3, that is, say, 10 kilometers. Whereas, what is displacement? Displacement is a vector quantity that means it requires direction as well as magnitude both, and displacement tells us that how far out of a place an object is. An object is. That is, we consider the same example when a body traveled from A to B, then B to C, C to D, and then D to A. Here, the displacement is equals to 0. That is, the body which started from A reaches back to A, so its distance, which tells the total ground travel, was 10, and displacement, which tells how far out of a place an object is 0, because the initial and the final position is same. Also, as it is a vector quantity, so AB and CD are equal and opposite, they cancel each other. In the same way, AD and BC cancel each other, and overall displacement is 0. Hope you're clear. For more clarification, suppose a body starts from say point A, goes to B, say 2 kilometers, then from point B it comes back to C as 3 kilometers in opposite direction, and then again from point C it goes back to the same line to point D, which is 5 kilometer. So in this case, distance will be how much? How much ground an object has covered? First, from A to B, 2 kilometers, then B to C, 3 kilometers, and then from C to D, 5 kilometers. This is a straight, a person is moving in a straight line. I have just, to make it clear, I have drawn 3 different lines, but this is from A to B, then back from B to C, and then from C again into D. So total distance is 5 plus 3 plus 2, that is 10 kilometers. And what is the displacement? It is how much? From point A till B it is 2 kilometers, and from C to B it is 3 kilometers, so remaining is 2. So from A to D it is 4 kilometers and in right direction. Clear? So what is distance and what is displacement? Now coming to velocity. What is velocity? What is velocity? Velocity is rate of change of displacement with respect to time. That is, velocity is the function of displacement. In the same way, what is the acceleration? This is a small v, this is a. Acceleration is rate of change of velocity with respect to time. That is, acceleration is the function of velocity. In the same way, jerk, this is a terminology or the quantity which is defined as the rate of change of acceleration with respect to time. That is, it is a function of acceleration. So the study of motion of various parts of machine is important for determining their velocities and acceleration at different moments. The dynamic forces are the function of acceleration. As we know that the dynamic forces like F equals to m into a, where m is the mass of the body and a is the acceleration of a body. That means the dynamic forces are the function of acceleration, and we know that acceleration is the function of velocity, and velocity is the function of acceleration, and velocity is the function of displacement. Therefore, we need to study displacement, velocity and acceleration to get the exact design analysis in terms of dynamic and kinematics of